How to lock the mouse when looking around in Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to enable Shift Lock so the cursor stays fixed to your camera. First, open Roblox and join any game. After that, press ESC on your keyboard to bring up the in-game settings menu. From there, look for Mouse Lock Switch, sometimes labeled Shift Lock, within these settings. At this point, make sure it's enabled if you see a toggle or dropdown for it. In the next step, close the settings menu once confirmed. Following this, press Shift on your keyboard while playing to activate Shift Lock. Once done, your mouse cursor now locks to the center of the screen, and your camera follows your mouse movement instead of the cursor drifting off screen. From here, press Shift again anytime to toggle Shift Lock off if you want your cursor free to move normally. At this stage, keep in mind some games disable this feature entirely, since developers can turn off Shift Lock through their own game settings. Keep in mind if Shift Lock shows set by developer and is grayed out, that specific game doesn't allow this feature to be toggled. Finally, if the cursor still drifts off screen in games without Shift Lock, try zooming all the way in to trigger first-person mode instead, which usually hides the cursor automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you lock the mouse when looking around in Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.